So I saw the Sandra Aigbogun posting the video, trying to make mockery of herself. Let me tell you, Sandra Aigbogun, I just want to pick you out, make it be like you still get level past the rest. I don't will respond to the rest. When they use me grow their page. You are dating a married man here in Leeds.
Hello, my people. This video I go put am for now. Una know say when a bat come where they don't give am double cheese, don't give am slap for one ear. Abat can't do video the next day, can't they explain himself. After everybody wey be say he talk for the matter, wey share video, do everything. Abat go carry Sandra Aigbogun come. I go put the video and I go listen to the video. Abat can't they insult Sandra Aigbogun. The one wey come dey for his side, he say Sandra Aigbogun the friend married man. Abat, you see you, egui nefo woha euhi. You never finish for one. You go they enter another one. He can't sit down for live video. After when they talk to Sandra Aigbogun, I know say when Sandra Aigbogun build house, he not call Abat, say Abat I build house, so come celebrate me, or come look at whether the house good or whether it not good or. That woman build the house, he show her for media, put her for there. When Abat come out, he come they like, wait till he build, wait till be this one, where window they, where this one, don't remember. Now Abat na if go find that lady trouble. Now we be say this thing we be say happen for Manchester, we double chief. One even come out one of his ear. Abat not the hear word again now. They don't they go another side though. Because why? Make me come do this video. Not be when another one go come see come out. Honor your God bound. Because person will not the hear words. Emi no mievo e on mievo. When papa talk to you, mama talk to you, say you know they hear words. Anything where you see, you go take am. He come sit down. He say, what did they call this which name he talk? I go put on and go listen. He say na ogbe isibo. He get one person where be say that they call ogbe isibo. He say na in the friend Sandra Aigbogun. Whether na true, whether na lie, we don't know because now Bat first he tell us say awaipa akoberian na in the friend Sandra Aigbogun. Now remember when still can't talk. Okay, now not be a pa akobe na in the friend down. So now ogbe isibo. Now he come the friend Sandra Aigbogun. But why you know they finish for one before you go enter another one? This person where you say you they talk about now where you call in there in Sunday, you say now where you they list for there. Now the person they according to you because me I don't know whether na a friend or whether not be friend or Abba say don't know say the man don't the friend and since not be now. He say don't take away the friend and whether they do and hide. But if the person can't come out now, when he see you for road, you say, wait till make you go call in there and son for media, and you maybe you can't lie for your heads. On the booby you hear not bawo. They go come say, hey, one at the big time. This one not good. But mind your business. I ya to a life now. You understand? If you don't mind your business, and that bon way, oh ye chikele like this is more. Because why? Wait till they not call you put. Then you go they put your mat. If Sandra Aigbogun share video. Now only Sandra Aigbogun they share video for the whole social media. You not see everybody where share. You not see we where the bloggers with the blogger. How many you go fit talk? How many you go fit tell? Say me not share. Almost you too zuo. Now make me I not like you for anything. Because if now some people where be say this kind thing happen to her. He go like sit down make a reason where he for made mistake also that he no go come they do again. He go like okay this thing where they do so many people not like her you because you not get sense. Let's say you get sense this thing will happen to you for use and know say many people they are very hungry with you many not be one not be two where be say they not like what you they do you will go carry your back there too you will carry and come uti bono bed then agbomomo. Make I put the video for now, make una listen, make una hear because sometimes now people they use their hands, they cause waiting they worry them. Not be people because sometimes people go say, na witch, na devil, na village people, na lie. Now waiting you use your hand say do, now they worry you. Make I put the video more and watch. Please help me to love and like and share this video. About mind your business. They say on my BNA, you go come they like throw away many things because of your children. You don't know where they want waka go tomorrow. But you know what here. In your one work, the one where they pay me for inside. Now you can be the senior. For papa hand, for mama hand. Now you be the senior. Now you they misbehave. Now you they do anyhow. Ogbe isi born if you see you now they kalu biag mwere we kalo your wow. You go say this one, that one. Eh? Na bebe me people.
So I saw the Sandra Aigbogun posting the video trying to make mockery of herself. Let me tell you, Sandra Aigbogun, I just want to pick you out. Make it be like you still get level past the rest. I don't respond to the rest. When they use me grow their page. You are dating a married man here in Leeds. You are dating a married man here in Leeds. Married man will get wife and children. You are dating a married man in Leeds. Don't be there you go. A week, I be 2 weeks ago. Your man friend was slapped in this Leeds. You know slap back. It shock you. You go call him now. Make it tell you the truth. He was slapped. The story they leads here. They slap him. This one say going to court for ordinary slap. Now court papers, we don't know, send me. Someday my wardrobe. So, not be waiting I talk. But I'm going to say, what's your Weladian? And they drag the man name come out. Because it's like, you have an angel at home and you can't choose to go sleep. They sleep with a dog, a kita, amuha. So I wish you don't post that. Nobody for you to hear out of my mouth. For you to know, I'm not saying it to mock him. I'm saying it to let you know that he knows the law. That is why he did not retaliate. He knows the law. And I heard that he's pressing charges. Not be safe for not to retaliate. But he did not retaliate. It happened here in Leeds. A week or 2 weeks ago. He was slapped. He did not retaliate. When you say you don't do 20 years for abroad, you're supposed to learn something. If me we don't do 3 years, can't get sense pass, who don't do 20 years, there's a problem. There is a problem. You know the guy. You know the married man where he did date. In fact, the first time I saw the man's wife, I do it awkward and they be her. When I saw the man's wife, the question I asked myself is, what did really they do men serve? Before you count 5 beautiful women in Leeds, the wife they are among. Before you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe we will need to organize a beauty pageant. Before you count 5. Of course, Ian will number 1. My chairman wife number 2. My other chairman wife number 3. My girl, my brother, when they close to me here number 4. Ogbe wife. So it has to stop. It has to stop. You hear me? So you are bringing disgrace to that guy's life. I don't finally break the table today. It has to stop. For those that are even saying, which of the Ogbe, I think they said his name is Ogbe Isibo or something. Tall, black, thick guy, tall past me. Good guy. So you need to stop. You need to stop. Allow the man focus. Because the little I know about him, correct guy. Now what I hear. So if I wish you not put yourself before not rope. I say make I let you know today. Say he was also mature by not slapping somebody back. So the tables you want to break, you don't break them. And I am very proud of the wife of that guy. Extremely gorgeous and beautiful woman. You must leave him to focus. To focus on his family. You must leave him. Yes. So the tables, when they try to erase since you don't break them. You don't break them. So there are people who know they involved in self-banters. They involve the police. So whatever you are celebrating foolishness. You are celebrating madness. If you say these Leeds and UK, I know we'll get peace. I know we'll still get peace. And that very guy, you join for what make me and that guy not strong, not close. You join people, because from the little I know about him, he's a cool guy. He's a going friendly guy. But you join people with me and the guy not close. And anytime I'm doing something, he doesn't participate and it discourages people from coming. They hear me, so you need to go and find your man. You need to. So if you like talk now, let me say this before I go. Sure, your man friend now, your nails go hot today. And if I see you now again, I will record 12 now. I will put now for social media. We will go court. Now you bring the problem to my doorstep. Now they always find me. Sandra, Aigbogun. I've been saying this before. I said, stay away from this man. Because in your beautiful, extremely gorgeous woman. Extremely. But why am I here? I never sure say if not be you, that dude for that big up pass the way they saw. That dude. Now Nigeria I did. I was still in Nigeria when I know about Una matter. I said, Ona basi one. We got man we go there in UK. So I am not weak. I am strong. I am very, very strong. If the dude meet to say, how about why we are swinging me? You know what I will do? I will talk to him, brother to brother. I've asked him before. So my brother, me no offend you directly. I hear say you be good person. Why are we not friends? Leave social media. You go say, no. My guy, I go there with you. He go dodge me. Anytime I do events from day one, from my first birthday, they come. So if you see me and say, far, say, or say, I'm also new. Now you're, So if you're not close to her, I didn't do this to spite him. He don't do me well, but, you know, never do on face to face. Tell him that, and one lawyer, when they get ya, guale, single mother, no, when ya guale, or do boy. Don't maybe no, it can no ya can't picture ye. He bano in the now. He bano in it. So, posting that video of mockery, I don't tell you, say, your man friend will sponsor you, he himself collect slap, and he not slap back. He's pressing charges. Shaking her. For that area, he's smart. He's dogged. Because he knows that abroad in day. I wish that Nigeria, with the little one I know about that guy, if you fight back, therefore do rolling, like tools, go here, you know, go each other's house, go they find each other. But you can't do it here.